Hi, my name is Martin. Let me show you how StreamBee can help you grow as a content creator. As a first feature, I'm going to show you Creator Dashboard. StreamBee doesn't track just your Twitch. We track all the platforms that you might be using, whenever it's Discord, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. And we show you what percentage or how is the distribution of your fans across all these platforms. So you can see for us, 53% of our fans are on Discord, 34% on TikTok, 9% on Twitter. We show you your growth on the chart over time so you can see how you're growing. And in case you care, maybe you just want to look at TikTok, you can totally do that. We also show you this on a weekly basis so you can see how are you doing based a week or based a month. And we also track your views across each of these platforms so you can see how is your views growing. And again, maybe you just want to look at YouTube. So here's how our YouTube is doing. Not too well. And then you can look at it on a weekly or monthly basis as well. But those stats were ours, StreamBee's channels. And every single creator's dashboard is going to look very different. Here are screenshots from other creators, and you can see everyone has very different creator dashboard, and you should definitely see yours to understand what are your strengths and weaknesses and better understand your portfolio. Those were just features from a cross-platform. Now, if you want to get some insights about how to grow your Twitch stream, here is what you need to do. First feature is called What to Stream, where we help you figure out which games should you focus on and deep dive to. So let's just set the filter to 5 hours so we only see the games that are really relevant to me that I stream frequently enough. And you can see for this creator in particular, Genshin Impact, which they stream for 28% of their time, actually gained them 52% of their followers. So in case you really care just about growth, this game is a no-brainer. Now, we can go also here, in case you care about most stats, we select the Genshin Impact, and we can see that also in terms of chat messages or directory position, this seems to be like a really good game for this creator. The next feature I'm going to show you is when to stream. Now, in this feature, we help you optimize what are the streaming times for you that work the best. Here you can see comparing all weekend versus weekday streams, but also you can look into individual days. Maybe you're just trying to compare your Friday with Saturday. So you can totally do that. So you can see how many viewers are you getting at each hour of the day. But if you try to have like a high-level picture of which day works how, we also give you that so you can look at your peak viewers each day. You can look at hours watched each day. What is your chat engagement every day? How much time you actually stream? And what's really cool is we also help you figure out how long should you stream. In this case, you can see that actually the longest streams that are 8 hours perform a little bit better than the 6 hours or 5 hours. And we also sum up and aggregate all your streams. So imagine all your streams starting here, and as they go, you can see how your viewer count goes up or down. So you can see for this creator, it takes about 2 hours-ish to climb to average viewer count, and then they slowly continue to gain more viewers. So streaming longer would be actually a pretty feasible option for them. Other tools that we've built for streamers, one of them is called Top Clips, where we help you find the best, most engaged, best clip for feed moments for you to then repurpose for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other platforms. So what we do, we chop down your stream into 30-second fragments and evaluate each of them, score each of them based on chat engagement, viewers engagement, and also if there was any clips activity. And then finally return you just top 10 for you to rewatch, for you to review. And we use the most used emotes to kind of help you understand what was the sentiment. So you can look here. We could rewatch this, probably sad moment. Maybe if it was something funnier, we could just go here and watch this and maybe have a good laugh because you can see the emotes were like that. Next really cool tool is VOD review, where we help you to review your VOD to identify areas for improvement or maybe things that went really well. So right away, you can see here there were 34 people joining at this very moment, which could have been a rate. Here we had 129 views, but here we can see 16 viewers have left. So that might be something worth looking into. Maybe they went AFK or there was a kind of awkward moment on the stream, nothing was really going on. And this tool helps you save a lot of time to spend actually time reviewing and trying to learn from your mistakes. And you can do it really quickly with this tool. But in case you care about more stats for individual streams, we also show you for every single stream how many new viewers did you get, how many people have seen you for the first time versus how many were casual viewers and regular viewers of yours. We help you understand your viewer retention, how many viewers bounce immediately versus how many people stay throughout the whole stream. 17%, that is really nice. We help you understand how successful are you at converting these new viewers to followers and how much time does it take. And we also give you something similar to YouTube's retention chart, where for every 5 minutes we score your retention, but also show you how was the traffic in the stream. So you can see people joining and leaving your stream every 5 minutes. And this can tell you a really interesting story about how your stream goes over time. And in case you care about engagement, we show you some stats about it. So here, for example, he had 70% of their viewers never spoke up in the chat. And there's a lot of different metrics that you can look into. Maybe you're just a creator who doesn't like stats too much and just wants to get like super TLDR summary. Well, we do that for you too. We send you a really nice summary after every stream. We give you an overall score, 1 to 10, which really can help you understand if it was a good stream or bad stream based on the performance. We show you the stats, compare it to your average, but also to your average on the calendar or the weekday. So you can kind of understand, because maybe Tuesdays are just not your days. So we also consider that. We show you how many followers you gain, how many hours watched, how many of your viewers were new versus your existing fans, how was the engagement, what were the most used emotes. Also some key moments for you, and potentially there are the interesting clips. We also show you those.